Hello traders, welcome back to our channel the Forex Trends, and I hope you all are doing well and I am also good. So let's start the today's analysis session, and in this video today I am going to analyze gold, that is XauUsd, and we'll see what possible trade setups for today and tomorrow. Okay guys, so let's get start. If you have seen my previous video, then you would know I told you on my previous video for sale on gold from this level, and I marked this zone on my previous video, and I also ask you to mark the same at your chart, and I initiate a sell from here and I profit approx 100 pips from this level. Look, almost 100 pips I have booked from this trade. And I also told you guys, for today, if we get the price at this zone, this is 2324 to 2320 level, we may initiate a buy from here. So as per my strategy, I react and I initiate a buy from this zone also, and this trade is still running. If you want to check, this trade is still running, and I have shipped my SL to break even, and after getting 50 pips I will book some profit from here, and then after 100 pips I will close my whole trade. This is my trade plan, and I maintain my discipline. So you have to stay disciplined and focused in this market if you want to get success, because discipline is your best friend in trading. Stick to your trading plan, manage your risk, and avoid emotional decisions. Stay focused on your long term goals, and most important, don't let short term fluctuation to shake your confidence. Okay, discipline and consistency, these are the two pillars. These two pillars are for sustainable success. So mind these two pillars, discipline and consistency. It is very necessary in forex market. So let's the start to analysis. Before start, let me show you the economic. If I talk about fundamentals, today is bank holiday in US. For that reason, we have facing a less volatility in the market today. Let me show you the economic calendar. If you can see the tomorrow's economic calendar, there is a multiple newses. There is a multiple important news, that is Swiss francs monetary policy rate, that is interest rate of the Swiss francs and interest rate of the GBP. These both news are very crucial for market and overall sentiment of the fundamental. So we may see good volatility in the market of GBP USD, and the other GBP pairs and other Swiss francs pairs. Even though there is a same forecast as the previous, in GBP 5.25% was the previous interest rate, and still it is forecasted as same 5.25%, and similarly there is a same as Swiss francs, that is CHF. Although we may see a good volatility in the market tomorrow. After that, in 6 p.m. IST, we have the unemployment claim in US, and this news may provide some volatility in the New York session. Until this news, we may expect a small movement in gold until the release of unemployment claim news. That's all in fundamental. Let's move to the chart of gold. Okay, guys. Let's start with the 4-hour frame today. because there is a multiple news as scheduled in tomorrow. That's why we have to look in bigger frame. In 4 hour frame, if you can see, after this impulsive movement, this is an impulsive movement, there is a correction, an internal structure, market developing an internal structure. Okay, so if I mark the internal structure in 4 hour frame, you can see there is a higher high, higher low, then higher high and higher low. Okay, so that means there is a 4 wave against the external structure has complete. As we know, if market able to create internally 5 wave against the external impulsive movement, we shift our biasness. Okay, as we are we are bearish in this impulsive movement, so if we see the 5 wave against this external structures like this, one two, let me draw again, 1 2 3 4, then 5. If market able to create this 5 wave, we will shift our biasness from bearish to bullish. For create this 5 wave, market has to break the last higher high. The last higher high was there. The price is 2341.82. In 4 hour frame, if market able to close a 4 hour candle above this price, that is 2342, we will shift our biasness from bearish to bullish and we will see for buying trade. And for this, in this scenario, we will not initiate any sale from the above zone, that is this zone. Okay, if market able to close above this price in 4 hour frame, that means we need to close one candle in 4 hour frame above this price. In that case, we will shift our biasness. Okay, that's all in 4 hour frame. Let's shift into 1 hour frame. Okay, in 1 hour frame, if I mark the structure, you know, as I already marked this change of character in my yesterday's video, I told you guys, if market able to close above this price, 2 candle above this price, we will bullish in 1 hour frame for small profit with small SL. Or for that reason, I have marked these zones, marked these both zones for buying and selling purpose. And these both zones are work very nicely and give us a good profit. Okay. So now what will be the plan for next? Until the tomorrow's news, release of tomorrow's news, we will remain bullish. Okay. One thing more in 4 hour frame, I forgotten to discuss. Let me show you. In 4 hour frame, you can see in this resistance, market has create equal highs. Relative equal highs is there. We know whenever market create relative equal highs in a certain resistance or support zones, there is a form of liquidity. That means in this position, there is a liquidity. That means there is a SL of retail traders. Okay, there is a SL of retail traders. In that scenario, you know well, market may go up to sweep this liquidity. After that, it may come down again. So if during the news we see market is going up and test this zone, that is 2355, 2353 to 2355 zone, we may sell from this zone after release of news. This is our first trade setup. During the news, if market break this resistance, I will do trade during the news. Okay, if market break this resistance, so I will buy from this zone up to buy from here up to this level. If during the news market approaching to sweep this liquidity, okay, and I will initiate sell from this, that is 2353 level again. Okay, so this is our second trade setup. So guys, let me write 235 235 2 5 5 is our selling zone, and 2 3 3 5 2 3 6 is our buying zone if market able to break during the news with momentum candles. We will shift our time frame to 1 minute and wait for retest after breaking this zone. Like this, we will initiate a buy from here up to this level. Okay, this is our second trade plan for tomorrow. Let me delete the all drawings. So our next plan, if market break this support, that is 2319 to 2324 level, or if we get the price again at this level during the London session of tomorrow, we may initiate a buy once again from this level if we get any evidence. If market able to break this support like this before news, we may initiate a sell from here up to this level. Okay, so this is our third trade setup for tomorrow, and this is the level of 23202 2324 2320 to 2324. Okay, if we get the price like this, break with momentum candles and then retest, we may initiate a sell from here. If we get the price here with small candles with small volumes, we may initiate a buy from here once again. Okay, so that's all trade setups for tomorrow, guys. Do not trade in between the levels until market reach to your level. Wait and watch. Okay, so stay disciplined and stay focused on the market. That's all. So all right, that wraps up today's analysis of gold, and thanks for watching. And if you really feel it is informative and helpful for trading, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. By subscribing, you will stay updated with our all latest content, tips and strategies that really help you to trade smarter and more profitably. Okay, so thanks guys. Until then, trade smartly, trade safely. Bye bye guys.